Hello Tamagotchi fans, this is Erica, and today I wanted to show you by request the TamaOtchi, the relentless TamaOtchi at that. You can see that she's always flashing some type of text on the screen, and this is supposed to notify you of what she wants, but I can't read Japanese. I do know that she wants me to go under her training bar, this training icon here, and to raise her training, which I will get into very shortly. And she won't leave you alone until you do what she wants. So this is a pet that you have to be very vigilant with. You need to make sure you have plenty of time to develop her. And so first you have your happiness, not happiness, you have your age, sorry, and then you have your weight. And you go under here, you have your discipline bar, and you have your hungry. Here's your happy meter, the classics, and then this is your training bar. Now this is very important in developing the type of character you get. And so I can show you under here, this is her food box. And under the food box, you have the meal, which looks like a little rice bowl. You have your snack, which looks like a little shish kebab of some kind. And then also, strangely, under her food box is the fan letters. And this makes her happy. If she's in a sad mood, you can give her fan letters, and that seems to help her morale. And let's see if that does affect... No, it doesn't seem to actually affect anything. But now, after here, you can see that there's one game, and it's a slot machine game, which I do find very difficult to win. And so the idea, though, is that you match 3 at a time. So in successive order, you need to push the A, B, and then the C. And I have found it nearly impossible to win, and it does raise her happy bar, so that's a good thing if you have patience. So that's pretty much how that works. And then this is what's the neatest part, I believe, about this Tamagotchi. It's you can actually really relate to her and play with her and interact. So she's really begging me to take her underneath here. And there's 3 different modes. There's one that's sort of like an improv, there's one that's like an acting, and there's one that's like a dance. And so this one here is kind of like her improv. She displays either a question mark or an exclamation point. And the idea is that she does the same thing 3 times in a row, and if she does, then you reward her by tapping the case. Let's see if I can get her to, yeah. So you can see that there was those little talking symbol there that says that she received your feedback from her. In this case, she did what I wanted her to do. And you need to win 2 out of the 3 times. So let's see if she'll do it again. And this game is actually, the training is quite difficult at points because she doesn't always receive. As you can see, I have to tap at different points. She doesn't always receive what she's supposed to do. And then a lot of times she's very stubborn and she won't actually do the 3 in succession like she's supposed to. I've actually gone through all of them and it's taken me 5 minutes just to get her to do what I want her to do. So if you don't have the time, it's just a good thing to know for this particular one. So she did what she's supposed to, and I can show you under here that it did in fact raise her training. There we are. You can see it rose at 3 bars. And just because I feel like it, I'm going to give her a fan letter and see if it helps her at all with her happiness, and it doesn't. And so this is the slipper. It's to clean up waste. It's like the equivalent of a toilet icon. This is her sickness here. It's a little medicine vial. It looks like in a little box or cloth type bag. And then here you have the lantern, which is on and off lights. And then this is the discipline. If she's acting out, you can use that and it raises her discipline bar. And so she does let you know what she needs, and she has a couple of greetings like good morning, and a lot of the times when you pick her up she'll be sitting there and she'll have something flashing aimlessly on the screen, and you need to tap the case so that she remembers you. That's one of the features that I was reading about. And also, for a half hour during the day, it seems past 3 p.m. for me, that she'll have a time where the screen will just black out in bars and she'll have just herself in the middle where she's practicing on stage. And so this one's supposed to be pretty cute when she develops. You get a wide array of characters. There's a little star, there's kind of a humanoid looking characters, like this one you see here. And I do know that she has a little limousine, if she ends up being what her actress stage. I haven't actually got this one to go to completion. I'm hoping to have the patience soon enough, and hopefully I can take some pictures or to show my progress with that. So if you have any questions or would like to see something more about the TamaOtchi, feel free to contact me on my website, tamagotchimuseum.weebly.com, or go to my YouTube page. And thank you for watching.